Oh, when I can't, don't you watch the news? Didn't you see that there are people that are getting mugged here from Facebook Market?
Remember, if you tell something that you've made up, there will be some changes in your story. Because sometimes, remember, not all stories that get reported or all cases that get reported
actually.
in the police station are true. Then there's a side chick who's giving me. Then I'd feel like, Ahmed, let me add my side chick to be my second wife full time. Because right now we're complaining. What am I exactly?
Ladies and gentlemen, and the in-betweeners, allow me to introduce myself. Yeah, Kena, Spook Bena, Spook Mabena, Cleo Pass, however you wanna call me. I'm the guy. I'm the bad. I'm the man. So we here.
Gentlemen,
T's and C's.
T's and C's is back.
T's and C's
is back. Last time I was wearing a suit, man. I was hot.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah, but in any case, today I'm back. Yeah. The name is
too
Temba
much.
Zulu, ladies and gentlemen, from T's and C's.
T's and C's.
Uspatele.
Shimen, just to get straight into it.
Yeah, man.
The previous episode, we promised you guys that we're gonna go into step-by-steps of what actually happens when
Details
you open
of
a case.
opening a case in South Africa.
Yes.
Okay, take us through.
Yes.
Help us.
And
What happens?
when I say open a case, I think I need to clarify. I don't mean case yahoro when your boyfriend overtile.
Yeah.
I mean like serious things,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So this is what happened. Let me give you a scenario.
Yeah. But
You walk
girlfriend ki case, but yeah, continue.
Okay, I'll tell you the
sure.
difference
Yeah,
between
sure.
other cases and that
Okay,
one.
okay, sure.
Ne?
Yeah.
Okay, so you rock up. You walking, you from the club, you from wherever, you from school,
Yeah.
you walking nicely,
Yeah, man.
and then you get robbed.
Yeah.
You get mugged.
Okay.
Say, let's just say, for example, you're working from the club. It's
Yeah.
like 1 a.m.
Yeah.
You get mugged. They take your phone. They take
Yeah,
your everything.
Beat
right?
you sometimes.
Yeah, they make you withdraw and
Yeah,
they make
yeah.
you transfer money from your banking app. They make you do all kinds of weird things.
5,000
right?
rand. How yam holo gone.
Gone, right? And then you get angry, you sad, you frustrated, you walk, you basically do the walk of shame to the nearest police station.
Yes. I feel
Wherever you are. Trust me, this is universal.
Yeah, yeah.
Trust me. So you get there, and when you get there,
you. Yeah.
you're gonna walk in, there's usually reception area.
Okay.
And you're gonna find 2 or 3
Yeah.
people that are there.
Bomangmang.
Bomkize, bo
Yeah.
Mazivugo, wabo, bo Sislo. Yeah, they're gonna be there. And then when you get there, hopefully you're the only one. There's no line, right? There's
Yeah.
no one certifying.
Yeah.
You get
Yeah,
there.
yeah, sure.
When you get there, you're like, okay, guys.
Tell them I'm here to open a case.
Yeah,
Yes.
guys.
I
Ngizela.
got marked.
Yeah, uzobuli case.
Yes.
Kwenzakaleni? That's what they would ask.
Yeah.
Then you explain.
No, I was walking from extension 4 to
Yeah.
extension 6.
Yeah.
As I'm passing
The
that,
bridge or
then
whatever.
2 guys came.
Yeah, they came.
One guy came from behind. I don't know where did he come
Yeah.
from. 2 guys were approaching me.
Yeah. Yeah, they pulled out guns or knives or whatever, and
They
then
beat
they beat me. They made me transfer to the banking apps. They took my phone. They took my
took
everything.
clothes. As you can see, I'm in
Yeah.
underwears only. Right
You know
now.
what's the first thing they're gonna ask you?
Yes.
If you're a guy, I don't know if
Yeah.
you're a woman. Now I'm talking from perspective of a guy.
Sure.
When I know you're a guy, bushu, no tlhaga ya buti.
Yeah, okay.
Bushu
Yeah,
so
okay.
batho ba robetse.
Let's say, Babu Tisa, where were you coming from? And
Yeah.
you're telling them, no, I was attending a party. My friend was having a party. Then I was going
Yeah.
back home to my place.
Oh, party usana koloi usa driving.
Yeah.
So that. I'm just setting the tone, guys. That's the
Yeah,
type
yeah.
of
Okay.
that a lot of people received, right?
Yeah.
Let me tell you a story. So hunale ane brafan me. Ne? I'm gonna say it in Venex so that white people can hear me. Ane brafan me. Ne aliko ntenyo. Ne aliko.
People have been complaining that you speak too much in Venek, but yeah, shoot.
No, this one I'm thinking Venex. It's
Sure.
exclusive for Africans.
Okay, cool.
Mangnyana,
Yeah,
right?
I feel you.
So what's happening was he was walking. He wanted to buy something on Facebook Marketplace,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And then he bought something before. Ko Skandaf.
Yeah.
Ko Skandi. Ne? So he bought something before and then he was gonna buy again. Because he bought first time, everything was okay, no issues.
Yeah, sure.
So he's like, okay, and then he went there, and then the normal process, the normal things that would check if the person is real, pictures of the thing you're buying,
Yeah.
video call the person if you have to, let them
Yeah,
send you
yeah.
live location, let them send
Yeah.
you pictures of their ID, wara.
It's
The,
Venek, yeah.
the normal, I forgot. So
Yeah.
he did the normal safety precautions, right?
Okay.
So, and then he went there, And then as he went there, he got mugged. I'm not going to explain how he got mugged.
Yeah.
But he got there and then they deceived him and
So
then
he
got
was
mugged.
supposed to go and meet with certain people
Yeah,
somewhere
meet with certain
buy
person
that
to
stuff.
exchange that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Makes
And then
sense to
after
me.
that, what happened now is he got mugged. And he went to the nearest police station.
Yeah.
I don't want to mention the place.
Yeah,
You know
no.
what they told him when he
not a
explained the
problem.
story?
Yeah.
You know what he explained?
Yeah.
He says, they say to him, when I can't, don't you watch the news? Didn't you see that there are people that are getting mugged here from Facebook Market? I'm like, what?
Yeah.
What? How can a person of you asking for help and they tell you,
Yeah.
didn't you watch the news?
Yeah, which is
Okay.
terribly wrong. Yeah.
Okay, anyway. So you get there, you open the case,
Yeah.
you tell them what happened.
Yeah.
Then they will keep asking you 4 or 5 times.
Yeah.
If your story is interesting or funny to them, they can even say, hey, Masibuk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Cleo, because I would like this to educate, I would like us to educate people more.
Yeah.
I understand maybe, I'm not saying that's right.
Yeah.
Hear
Yeah.
me very well here.
Yeah.
There's other crimes that they call petty crimes
Yes,
where,
yes.
like you're saying, they feel like maybe you were slightly negligent.
Yeah.
Because guys, first of all, we must be fair. We must reduce the number of issues that go to the police stations by not doing the things that could have avoided that will lead us into getting
Yeah,
worse. But
yeah.
let's talk about
Okay.
serious
Serious
crime.
things.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay,
Because I
sharp.
want us to get on a serious note
Okay.
for us to educate people in terms of the
Right.
challenges that you go through when you go and open a case.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me change the topic.
A person is driving towards their house
Yeah.
in a car.
Yeah.
As you drive in towards your house, I'm not saying because this one is for an expensive value, but
Yeah.
I'm just talking about a person is driving at, it's either in the morning he's leaving for work
Yeah.
or he's coming
coming
back from
back.
work. Then
Yes.
as he drives through his gate, people come in
Yeah.
guns. They
Yeah.
take him with the car.
With the car,
Then
yes.
they drive away with the person. They
Yeah.
they take money from your
banking
account.
apps,
Yeah,
yes.
They
At
take your car.
gunpoint.
Yeah, some of them they even beat the people. They
Yeah.
badly beat the people.
Some they
yeah.
get raped.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you go to a police station.
Yeah.
You report that case. I want us to talk about. You see now,
Okay.
guys, we're not
Okay, we
joking. We're
set the
talking about
tone.
serious
Yeah.
stuff here.
Yeah, we set the
so,
tone.
yeah. Then that process,
Okay.
bullcrap process in South Africa.
Yeah, it's
Bullcrap. Ask me.
it's not good.
Yeah.
It's not
But we can challenge police to come and sit here.
Yeah.
That's just a bullcrap process to go through in South Africa.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Crap process to go through.
So.
One,
Yeah.
they'll be asking you things. Guys who've all been victims of crime in South Africa. They'll be asking you things, yes, to try and get a statement.
Yeah.
You try by all means to cooperate and
Yeah.
give them as much information
As you
to
can.
the details.
Yes.
Sometimes you can even explain to them to say, the guy had 2 gold rings, this, that.
Yeah. And he had a scar and he had blue eyes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the following car, because maybe they came in a car, you said,
Yeah.
I even managed to look at the registration of the car that was
Yeah.
that was supposed to be used as a getaway car.
Yeah.
The registration of it, I know it. I'm not guessing. I'm telling you, it was so and so and so
Yeah.
and so
Yeah.
and so and so
Yeah.
and so and so and so and so.
Yeah.
You provide as much information
Evidence
as
as
you
you can,
That
yeah.
you also feel like I've given the police enough evidence to
solve
try
the
and
case.
pursue the case. Then they come 2 weeks after the learn, they say they don't have enough evidence, no arrests have been made, the case have been closed, so they can't proceed any further with that case.
Yeah, it's horrible. Okay, but we jump
Guys,
in.
if you think I'm talking crap here, let's get police people to come and give us police files here.
Yeah.
I dare challenge them. Guys, I went to school.
Yeah.
I dare you to challenge me. I know what I'm talking about. I quantify when I talk about things. I don't just shoot from the hip. I went to school. I passed physical science at school.
Yeah.
So yeah, and mathematics.
Physics.
Yeah.
So
I'm giving it straight to them.
Rajamba, wait.
No,
wait.
talk about the process of opening
So
the
yeah,
case. Yeah.
you get in, they take your statement,
Yes.
ne? And then
Provide
they,
all the details.
They depending on what the case is,
Mm-hmm.
it's either you're gonna leave there feeling they make you feel crappy,
Yeah.
as if it's your fault,
Yeah.
or they're not gonna be very. It's not gonna be. It's not. They're not very. Parking like
Sympathy.
no, not sympathy. Like ukare they not have
There's no sense of agency
yes,
towards
that one. Yeah. So you say okay. They write their statement down.
Yeah.
And then after that, after writing your statement down,
Yeah.
they would then after a few days later,
yeah.
Or after a few hours,
Yeah.
they would allocate that to an investigating officer.
Yes, and you have to go back and retell the story.
Yeah, so that investigating officer, you told them at the police station.
Yeah.
Say you went to them,
Yeah.
because if you call them, they won't come.
No, yeah.
You went to them, and then after that, they take the statement. Then after that, after a few hours or after a few days, the investigating officer is gonna come, right?
Yes.
And then you have to retell that story. You retell that story like we're talking now.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
telling him. Then he says, "Okay, sharp."
This is what happened. Yeah.
And then after that, he's gonna leave.
Yeah.
And then he's gonna come back after a few days.
Yes.
And then you have to retell the story and write it down
Yeah, the
now in
statement, yes.
detail.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
imagine for somebody who has been through trauma, and
Okay.
then
Maybe before you
Yeah. No, like,
before I
imagine-
wanna defend them, if I to
Yeah.
put it like that, as to
Yeah.
why maybe today do something like that.
yeah, imagine if you've been in trauma. Say if somebody is a rape victim.
Okay.
And then now it's a month later.
Yeah.
They're trying to recover. They're trying to come back from
Yes,
that.
yeah,
They're
from
trying
the
to move
trauma.
on from
Yes,
that.
yeah.
And then now, jiggy,
You must relive. You must relive the whole story.
unyaga detailed
Okay.
explanation, as if you
So-
didn't explain in the
Yeah.
start.
So my understanding of it, Cleo, is remember when I asked you about what happened.
Yeah.
At some stage, they describe it as if I'm also now victimizing it because I'm making you relive it.
Yeah.
But after a certain period, you must be in better senses to be able to tell the story. And another thing, for them to be able to follow up your story.
Yeah.
Remember, if you tell something that you've made up, there will be some changes in your story. Because sometimes, remember, not all stories that get reported or all cases that get
Yeah,
reported
actually.
in the police station are true.
Yeah.
So in that regard, I understand that's the rationale behind
the
it.
second victimization. Ne?
Yes, yeah, maybe it's a second victimization.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay, sharp. Then they come. Ne?
So we understand that's the process they have to go through
Yeah.
to be able to tell. But our concern is you tell them because the story is not made up.
Yeah.
Remember, a story that is not made up does not change.
Yeah.
It doesn't change.
Yeah.
The changes are gonna be because obviously I'm not. You are not replaying a record. You are talking to a human being. There'll be just few things that doesn't maybe come out the way I said them at first, but majority of the things are still gonna come out the way you actually said them or the way they are.
Yeah. Okay. So now he comes, takes statements,
Yes.
and then now there's evidence. Say, for example, there's number plates.
Yeah.
There's all these things.
Yeah,
Guys,
yeah.
we're explaining the steps that are happening.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
There's evidence. There's
There's
places
people
and
who
stuff.
provide all evidence to the cops.
Yeah. And then you know what happens afterwards, Timan? This is the last step, guys. It's 3 steps. You go open the case.
Yeah.
They go and you give them statements.
Yes.
They investigate. Then the third step, you know what happens in the third step?
Yeah.
They say no evidence. Case is closed.
Yeah, but case is closed.
Yeah.
You've provided, like you're saying now, registration plate.
Yeah.
Some people where they live, there's camera surveillances.
Yes.
They provide camera
Yes.
surveillances. All the evidence is provided.
Everything is provided,
Yeah.
and then, no evidence. That makes me wonder. But anyway, let's cut it off nyana because of we might offend certain people. But
Yeah.
this is the reality. What happens when you open a case in South
that's
Africa,
what happens
guys?
in South Africa. Yeah, the
Yes.
justice system, if they want to arrest us for telling the truth, then that would be another crime,
No,
unfortunately.
they won't arrest me. I'm wearing a mask. They don't know me.
So,
They will go-
ngizokhipha ngisho.
Yeah.
When they come for me,
Hey, T-Man, on a
it's like
lighter
when
note.
I'm telling you one.
On a lighter note, T-Man. Hey, I bolele ka dideni cho ka Sthembu, me bra. Every
Yeah,
guy's
yeah.
dream.
Yeah.
This is every guy's dream. I'm telling you, even if
Okay, I think
you can ask.
let's qualify that first. Why do I get such bad hiccup?
Because it's also
Let's
your
qualify
dream.
that.
It's our dream.
Let's qualify that. Cleo, can I get some water?
So it's every guy's dream, guys. I'm telling you. Sthembu, even if you get Somizi, or you get Mohale, and you say, okay, Mohale, do you want to have 5 gays? He will say yes. That is how I know he's a guy. Because he will say, I don't want 1. I want more. The more the better. So it's Sthembu, guys. I just want to touch on that because now I feel like every guy, unali at some point had a dream of a threesome. It's every guy's fantasy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll tell you something.
Yeah.
Maybe let me say it in my own understanding.
Yeah.
It's every boy's dream growing up to say,
Yo, it's true.
It feels cool to have more than one girlfriend.
I don't want, Papa.
Yeah, more than one girlfriend.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to get back to how can we say people would love to have Istanbul. So
Yeah.
it looks cool when we've got more than one girlfriend, one partner.
It's amazing, man.
Yeah, it feels amazing. We've been through that. Or majority of us, because
Yeah,
we can't talk
some
for
of
everyone.
us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But majority of us, it felt cool. Even Amachita will respect you that Timon
Yeah.
is blind.
Yes,
Mabantwana. If you are blind, angazi ngibe blind, I'm just saying it was just a dream. Yeah.
Facts.
So, sure. Then that thing can grow up to saying, my understanding of how can a man wish they can have his temple is, let's say you've got your partner.
Yeah.
It always feels good to have a side chick because you always get those extra certain benefits. You see, you just mentioned one of the things, guys. So we're going to be very explicit about our subject. Excuse us. Like you said, your side chick might agree to a threesome.
Yeah.
But obviously, your partner won't agree to that, let's say, in most cases. It can happen.
Mostly,
I'm not saying it can't, but your side chick can agree. You say, okay, bring your friend, but because only threesome I'm doing is when it's two women, no man is doing that with me. And I go,
no sausages.
So then, as the side chick is such fun to have, let's say for people who are already married, unfortunately me and you are still not yet married. If I'm married and then there's a side chick who's giving me, then I'd feel like, man, let me add my side chick to be my second wife full time, because right now we're complaining, what am I exactly? So then it looks good from a distance, but what's the reality of it?
Yeah, I'm thinking Auti convince Johore. How does he?
Do you know that guy where Utana Nostembu?
From KZN?
Yeah.
I've heard of him.
Umselegu.
Yeah.
I saw clips of that guy crying. That guy's got 4 wives.
Crying?
Yeah, crying like
Tears.
a child. Yeah. That guy's got 4 wives, ne? He's attempting to number 5. Yes, because my partner follows that thing. I don't follow it, but I know it based on that. So she always talks about it, around me.
Yeah.
Then the guy is crying. I think that guy is more miserable than me with one woman.
One woman.
Yeah, at this point from what I'm seeing.
Yeah.
It looked like it was cool when it all started because it looked like to have a stembu, you can be in control. But it looks like that guy is falling apart.
What? But
Msamseleko, he's falling apart in his esteem.
What could be wrong?
Okay, let me...
Because the more the merrier.
Yeah. Okay, let me say something. I was taught this by my uncle, right?
Yeah.
Uncle. Hey, man, it's a small father, that one.
Yeah.
So, Ubaba Mncane was telling something, Samachita Spelele family, a big family, and there's boys. And then he's like, hey, Nina Bafana, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
It's Tembu. He said, I attempted to do that thing. And then I stopped.
Yeah.
He said, when you've got this Tembu, you are more like someone who does not have a partner or a wife for that matter.
What?
In this manner. He said, remember in the past, they used to have, like, they'd have a big yard. This house is for Mamngane, this house is for the Mamkulu, right?
Yeah.
So he says, when you're coming back from work, there's one gate, you enter your yard, there's a house for Mamngane, there's a house for Mamkulu.
Yeah. Older wife, younger wife.
Yeah, one wife, first wife and second wife.
Then
if you go to second wife's house, she tells you, today I'm not in the mood. Can't have sex. Yeah, don't want to cook.
Yeah.
Those kind of things.
Yeah.
Go to your wife. You'll get those things. Yeah. So your wife says goes to your wife.
Your other wife.
So my uncle says, then you go to that other wife. Because you started at wife number 2. Now you go to house number 1. And house number 1 is seen that you started at house number 2.
Yeah.
Now that Upampile, you coming to her, she's like, no, how? Why did you come here? Why didn't your wife give you food and give you all the other goodies that you want?
Yeah.
So he says you end up not having a wife because everybody says, go to your wife. Go to your wife. But so when you've got one wife, your wife can't say go to your wife. Why would they say that? So I think that's what's currently happening with Umusa at this point. Yeah, because it looks like everybody's just your wife can take care of that. I'm not taking care of that. Your wife can take all 4. Imagine 4. Yeah.
Hi, man. No, I thought, I was under the impression that the more the merrier. I thought,
that is why I was saying from us, it looked like it was cool to have 3, 4, 5 girlfriends to be popular for being a doll man. It was cool. So
Yeah.
it would look like you. It's cool. Even I think when his show started as well,
Yeah,
it
it was
looked like
nice.
it was cool to have so many wives because it looked like they understand each other.
Yeah.
They plan. My biggest worry about this thing when Cleo is, in my perspective, in my opinion, is now creating an unnecessary competition even amongst your own family. Because
Yeah.
if now, let's say I've got 2 wives and I've got 4 kids, 2. Then there's going to be some form of competition within these kids because wife number 1 will want to
Yeah,
see her
the
kids
kid.
prosper than wife number 2's kids. Oh, wife number 2's kids are prospering more than
Yeah,
wife
ba
number
bang
1's
ke
kids.
didomkopa, ba khona
Yeah.
ukrema.
Yeah.
The other ones they creme easy, they getting
Exactly.
distinctions.
Yes.
And also the question that I always had is
Yeah.
legacy. Okay, legacy. Who is now gonna
Carry your
say
legacy.
say there's 4 wives, ne?
Yeah.
Or 5 wives, right? Say there's 5 wives. So if there's 5 wives, right? And then
carries your legacy?
all these wives have 3 kids,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So all of them have 3
Yeah,
kids.
yeah.
Right? So now, what's gonna happen when you pass away, or not even pass away?
Yeah, just someone maybe to answer to say who carries your legacy.
Yes,
I think you've
who-
asked it. Yeah,
Yeah,
So
yeah.
in my opinion, my understanding, especially in Zulu,
Yeah.
wife number 1, the firstborn child, which is why preferably it has to be a boy,
Yeah.
is supposed to carry your legacy.
So the other ones,
The
they
other
get
ones
like
that they can't carry your legacy, and which is where it becomes complicated because you've got a child with wife number 1, then wife number 2 comes, and wife number 1 has got a child, but
it's a daughter. Yeah, yeah.
Then wife number 2 comes and immediately
son.
gives you a son. Eish, you've got no idea how complicated it gets.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because that's where it becomes very blurry as to ubani kahle kahle inkosana. Then the fights begins. I think it happens with the chieftaincy most of the time.
Yeah,
if you look
yeah,
at the royal kings here, the
Yeah,
royal
there's always
kings,
like some-
Yes, because of such things to say. When you were not actually supposed to be the king, but because he was the firstborn child on the wrong wife, then he ended up being the next king. So you see how complicated it is.
But yeah, I think we complicating things as Africans. That's why if you check, Bill Gates has I think 2 kids.
Yeah.
Elon Musk. Okay, Elon Musk is African. He has many kids. He's African. That one.
He's got
He
how
has
many?
many kids.
13. How many?
Yes, he's African. Let's say the other
he's the
one
first billionaire, the multi-billionaire that I know who's got so many kids.
publicly, because maybe they were hide.
Maybe there's still even others that are
Yeah,
hidden.
yeah. 'Cause-
Elon.
Yeah, Elon. Yeah, he's African. Confirmed, he's a South African. That one. Ushotakas Tembu. Then
Yeah, there's only one
Oshap
thing. We need to change that surname of his.
Yeah, ne.
Elon Musk can be maybe Umasego or something.
Ne. Yeah, Maseko. Yeah.
We need to find him a surname. Yeah. Elon Musk.
Yeah, he's African.
Yeah,
he's African.
yeah,
But what I was getting into is that all these rich guys, like the royal family in England, right?
Yeah.
They don't have that many kids.
Yeah, they
It's
lazy
like
most, yeah.
3
I'm kidding. I'm
it's
joking.
like 3 kids at max, 2. If you check like who else? Like Jeff Bezos. If you check also Steve
Henry
Jobs,
Ford.
I think.
All those people.
Yes. All these rich guys.
Yeah, rich people.
They don't have like a lot of kids, huh? Maybe that's where as Africans we must
polish our
improve.
game.
Yeah, because
But in
maybe
any case, yeah. So Istanbul is not as glamorous as it looks from where I'm standing.
from
Yeah.
what I'm seeing.
Yeah.
Because now I thought, because I remember I had 3 girlfriends.
Yeah.
Ne? Busi.
Aus. Busi,
yeah.
umthinte mawubona le podcast,
Yeah.
Busi.
Busi. Akasungihupuli ka mask. Busi, Bonolo,
Chesa Bonolo.
le Pholoso. Ne?
Yeah,
Ba le
Pholoso,
three.
Busi le Bonolo le
Yeah.
ntshwareng, guys.
Ne
Phela
ba le
le
3.
nthinte.
Ne? And then ka hopola bangera.
Yeah,
Gore
yeah.
ke
No,
jola
they
le,
catch
ke
you
jola,
well,
ke jola.
yeah. We
Then
used to
by
get
the-
caught. That's why I
Yeah.
don't like birthdays, yeah.
By the
I'll
meeting.
tell you my
ne?
story, yeah.
His na by the meeting.
Yeah.
Bamputso re khetha o mo one.
Okay.
Kara guys na ke le rata ba botle. Translation, guys, I love all
All
of
of
you.
you, yeah.
So I want all of
Yeah,
you
that's
to
that's
be my...
that has been our line for quite a long time. So you know what happened with me?
Yeah.
So I thought I was gonna be smart, and because this one was second in charge, she knew that I've got a straight girlfriend.
Yeah.
But she was the second in charge.
Yeah.
So it was my birthday. She said, "Can you please just come on my birthday?"
Yeah.
And she knew that I'm supposed to spend the birthday with my
yeah,
my main
main,
chick,
yes.
So me thinking I'm smart, I said, no, it's fine. I'll come over there. But later, I need to go somewhere over. So she thought, this guy thinks I'm stupid.
Yeah.
Then I went to a flat. She used to stay in Sunnyside.
Yeah.
I hope she doesn't see this one.
Yeah.
So then I went there. She had a beautiful flat. She was working somewhere. I'm not going to say people will know what I'm talking about. Then I went there to her flat and then I stayed there. She had some goodies. All the benefits that you can think of were provided. Yeah. And some goodies. She was well off. She was working very well. Then, you know what she did, ne?
Yeah.
While I was busy, chilled and everything, she took out the key to the main door. Because she had a two-bedroom flat. Then she hid it somewhere. And obviously at that time I didn't see it because I'm chilled the other side. She went to the door and took out the key.
And hid the key.
Then it was time for me. Go. I need to go. And at that time, you know why? I can see the phone is ringing.
Yeah.
The other one is calling. The main chick is calling now. Yeah. Then she said, no, Aisha, I'm still enjoying some time with you, this and that. Hey, actually, I would have loved us to do 1, 2, and 3. I'm like, Aish, baby, no, I understand, but you can do it. It doesn't only have to be on my birthday. I'm smart. You know how we play the game, guys. We all play this game. We have played this game before. Then, hey, Cleo, you don't know what happened there. I couldn't get out of that flat. Fourth, she said, then she started now putting it seriously. You're not going anywhere. Forget about it. I know where you want to go. Then it started getting very ugly.
Yeah. So now you are kidnapped.
Yeah. And the other one is now phoning constantly. So here's your stamp right there for you. If that
and that one knew.
She knew exactly,
that because, you must go to.
And you know what happened now? Because now me and her are busy fighting, and there was a big fight.
It ruins everything.
Yeah, between me and the main chick. That was the worst birthday ever I've had in my life. Since from that day, when it's my birthday, please keep it to yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we've said our
tease
our part. The name of our podcast, ladies and gentlemen, is Tease. Please like and subscribe. Much appreciation to those who subscribe. We love you. The name is Themba Zulu. Cheers, man.
Peace.